Welcome back to another video of my Java course. Today I'm going to talk about Java operators, which are really essential. What are Java operators? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. As you can see, I have a table here. You can pause the video and see each of the operators, the name and example. We will talk about them in a bit. Okay guys, let's make some examples. First, we have to declare two variables. The first operation is addition. We can say like print x plus y. It is very straightforward, and we have the result 5. Also, we can have another variable. Let's call it integer result. And then we would have x plus y here, and we can print the result. In this scenario, the operation of addition is going to be done here, and the result is going to be saved in the integer result, and we will print the result. It is still 5. Yes, it's correct. Let's do the subtraction. We just put a negative sign, a minus sign here. As you can see, 2 minus 3 is going to be negative 1. Then we would have the division. Y is divided by x is going to be 1, because 3 divided by 2 is 1. If you want to have a more precise value, we can save it here as double to get the decimal part. Yes. This was the division operation. Let's talk about the multiplication. We just put this asterisk sign here, as you can see. By this asterisk sign to represent the multiplication operation. 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's make it in integer. Yes. Then we have the modulus operation, which represents the remainder of a division. Okay. For this operation, I'm going to use another numbers to make it more clear. If we have 4 and 2, let's say x modulus y. Okay. As you know, when we divide 4 by 2, the remainder is 0. Okay, because we don't have anything else remainder for us. So, as you can see, we have 0. But if we change y to 3, okay, the remainder is not going to be the same, because then we would have the remainder as 1. The remainder of the division, okay? Yes. So this was the modulus operation. Let's talk about increment, decrement, and other operations. For increment, we just use double plus sign, and for increment, we use double negative sign. By decrement and increment, we mean that the value is going to be changed by 1 unit. When we say x plus plus, it means that the value of x is going to be incremented by 1 unit. When we say y and negative negative minus minus, this means that the value of y is going to be decreased by 1 unit. X value is, let's print the result. As you can see, the value of x is 5 because it is incremented, and the value of y is 2 because it is decreased. Then we have the assignment operation, which is we already have done that. As you can see, integer y is equal to 3. This is the assignment operation. Very easy. Then we would have uh, increment assignment. Okay. When we say x increment assignment to 2, we mean that whatever the value of x is, it is going to be incremented by 2. And when we say decrement assignment, it means that whatever the value of y is going to be decreased by this number. Okay. 1. Uh, let's print this. Now the x value is 4. It is going to be increased by 2 units. It is going to be 6. And the value of y is going to be decreased by 1 unit, which is going to be 2. Yes, as you can see, the result is 6 and 2. Then we have multiplication assignment and division assignment, which is also the same. When you say x multiplication assignment to 2, whatever the value of x is going to be multiplied by 2, and it's going to be assigned again to the x. And when you say y division assignment to 1, it is going to be uh, divided by 1 and going to be assigned to the new value of y. As you can see, when 4 is multiplied by 2, we would have 8 here. And when 3 is divided by 1, the result is going to be 3 again, the same. And then we have modulus assignment. For example, let's say x modulus assignment 3. Now the value of x is going to be 1 because 4 divided by 3, the remainder is 1. The new value of x is 1. This was the easy operations of Java. Then we would talk about bitwise operation in the next video because that is much more complex. I decided to make another video for that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.